When giving feedback, you can comment on someone's writing style or content of their work. You can also suggest changes to the text of their document. In this extension, you will use Suggesting mode in Google Docs to offer ideas on specific wording changes on a piece of writing. You will learn the difference between editing and suggesting in a document and resolve suggestions in your own document. To start, open a document you would like feedback on, or create a new document. Choose anything you'd like to share. Options include an invitation for an event, a flyer or an announcement, the text of an email, an outline or draft of a school paper, a cover letter or resume, or a pitch for a project. Next, share the document with your partner. Give them permission to comment on your document. Look in your email inbox to find the document your partner shared with you and open it. If you don't have a partner, you can practice suggesting mode in your own document. Editing your own work in suggestion mode is a useful way to identify areas that need improvement, consider different words and phrases, and then choose a direction for your work. Adjust the editing settings. Editing allows you to make changes. Suggesting allows you to type changes in a different color font. And viewing is useful for a final reading of the document. Change the setting to suggesting. Then read the text of the document. Correct any spelling errors, grammatical mistakes, or unclear language by typing directly in the text. You can see your suggestion in a different color in the document. Plus, each suggestion will appear in a comment box. When you're finished making suggestions, add your partner's email address into the document with a comment. This alerts them that you are finished providing feedback. Create reminders for yourself by adding your own email address into a comment. When you review your document later, you can see the edits you considered or plan to make. Then, open the document you shared with your partner. Review the suggestions your partner made, or reread your own suggestions. If you agree with the suggestion, accept the change. It will automatically be applied to the text. If you don't agree with the suggestion or want to use a different solution, reject the suggestion. Continue this process until all suggestions have been resolved. Now, it's your turn. Select a document you would like feedback on. Share it with a partner and allow comments. Make editing recommendations in your partner's document by typing in suggesting mode. And accept or reject the suggestions in your document.